iPad or iPhone hack.
So the first thing that you need to do is go to your Shortcuts app. Right there. I already have it pulled up, but you go to your automation. Create personal automation. Now you're going to scroll until you find charger. Is connected, and then click next. Now you're gonna see me struggle to find the action that I need to find because I have ADHD and I was not able to concentrate for some reason. I completely forgot what I had to search up. So once you find speak text, click on that and then write the text that you want your iPad or Siri to say when you plug in your charger. I chose fix on because I'm an ATV and I love Minky.
Fix on.
That's what's sour. And next, and you're done. Bye-bye.